Cloudy skies over Victoria's Outback. No worries, Lake Tyrrell still knows how to put on a show. And just down the road, towering silo art that tells its own tale. It's Victoria's largest salt lake, with stories stretching back thousands of years. Grab your coat, your camera, and your sense of adventure. Let's go exploring.
Welcome to Lake Tyrrell, where the sky meets the salt, and sometimes the clouds decide to take center stage. It might not be the postcard perfect mirror today, but trust me, there's magic here, no matter the weather. Lake Tyrrell is Victoria's largest salt lake, spreading across 120 square kilometers. The name comes from the Bort Wurrung word for sky, and when the lake's calm, it reflects the heavens like a giant mirror. For thousands of years, this was a significant place for the Burong people, who were skilled astronomers. They'd read the stars here, with the lake's still waters as their guide. In 1896, Europeans began harvesting salt here, a tradition that still continues today. In summer, the lake almost dries out completely, leaving crunchy salt flats. In winter, a thin layer of water transforms it into a photographer's dream. Of course, for us, it's more of a moody art project day, but that works too. Even without its famous mirror, the lake is a place you feel more than see. The quiet hum of wind across the flats, the crunch of salt under your boots, the wide open space that makes you feel small, in a good way. Birds love it too. You might spot pelicans, banded stilts, and the occasional spoonbill. They don't seem to mind the weather either. Just a few minutes from Lake Tyrrell, the little town of Sea Lake hides something big, really big. In 2019, artists Drappel and the zookeeper transformed these towering silos into a work of art. The mural shows a young girl standing on the lake's edge, gazing up at the starry night sky. It's a nod to the Burong people's astronomical heritage, the connection between land, sky, and community, and of course, the beauty of the lake itself. It's also part of Victoria's famous Silo Art Trail, which stretches hundreds of kilometres and tells the stories of regional towns through towering murals. So, cloudy day or not, Lake Tyrrell and Sea Lake Silo art prove that beauty isn't about perfect conditions. It's about looking a little closer. If you're road tripping through Victoria's Outback, put this one on your list. Bring your camera, a warm jacket, and maybe leave your salt shaker at home. If you've been here before, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews across Australia. Until next time, happy travels.